So in this video, I want to talk about this cool thing I've been doing with DSPi, the stereo DAC driver. So I have this interesting system where I have three different versions of DSPi running. This one runs on my desktop office. This one runs on my stereo connected to a Mac. And this one is a test board that is connected to a Raspberry Pi. And I can control all of them from one location easily. And let me show you how I do that. So here, let's take a look at VNC. Here's my Mac running, and we'll see this in a second. And here's my Raspberry Pi running. And if you go type in github DSPi clear remote, you will see my GitHub and go to release. And here's the latest release. And you can see these things are just tiny. And here I keep them on a file server for myself. And I keep the folders. I don't have to do any, tell it it's a executable. So let me just take the Linux ARM folder and show you how. All right, so here it is. And here's the executable. Here I am in the folder. Take a look. Now, if I do this, there's no executable. So we have to make it executable. And then we can run it. And it runs. And once it's running, this is on my Raspberry Pi, which is stupidly named Raspberry Pi. But I can go to a website, raspberrypi.local, 8082. And here I'm connected to the actual DSPi from my desktop, not from the Raspberry Pi. Now, that's part of it. I can also connect to my Mac. Let's do it this way. There's the Mac Mini running. And my local one, of course, is just here. All right, now, in addition to being able to control it, watch this. I have a special version of DSPi console. And if I run it, it runs like DSPi console. This is my local DSPi device, but I can also run this with an argument. Here, I'm going to connect to my Raspberry Pi. And there it is. And this is the Raspberry Pi's DSPi. Or if I'd rather, I can connect to the Mac Mini. Yeah, I was right. I got it all wrong in the name. And there you go. And here it is connected to the one connected to my actual stereo. And I can do everything with this that you would do with a conventional version of the GUI. But it's connected to a Mac or a Raspberry Pi or my local USB. And that's the end of the demo.